What role does energy efficiency play in mitigating the environmental impact of electricity generation, and what are the most effective ways to reduce electricity consumption on a global scale? How can education, policy, and incentives encourage individuals, businesses, and governments to adopt more energy-efficient practices? What are the geopolitical and economic implications of the rapid growth in electricity demand and the need for a sustainable power generation system? How might global energy markets evolve in response to the transition to cleaner energy sources? How do different countries and regions approach the energy transition, and what economic or political factors influence these decisions? How might the international community navigate the challenges posed by energy security, resource distribution, and technological access in the context of a changing energy landscape? Can Davis Zurins manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? Why is it important for global leaders to work collaboratively to develop solutions to the environmental issues posed by current energy systems? How can international cooperation facilitate the transition to cleaner energy systems and the mitigation of environmental damage from fossil fuel use? What kind of global policy coordination, financial support, and technology sharing will be required to ensure a successful and equitable energy transition? What is meant by the status of primary energy in the context of the world's energy structure? How does global primary energy consumption relate to the broader structure of the world's energy mix, and what does it indicate about global energy trends? Why is it important to study the status of primary energy, and how does it help in understanding shifts in global energy demands? What does primary energy refer to, and how does it differ from secondary energy sources in the context of the world's energy structure? What does the growth of global primary energy consumption reveal about the ongoing global development and industrialization? How does the increasing demand for energy in various regions impact the global energy landscape? What factors have contributed to the growth of primary energy consumption around the world? And how do these factors vary between developed and developing countries? How does the rise in global energy consumption correlate with population growth, economic development, and technological advancements? What impact does the growth in energy consumption have on global resources, sustainability efforts, and environmental policies? What specific data or statistics illustrate the growth of global primary energy consumption? And how is this data collected and measured? How does the growth rate of primary energy consumption in recent years compare to historical trends?